मेहरबानी करें, हमें कोई इस तरह का ड्रामा ना करें, सीधी तरह वारंट दें। कोई मेरे पर केस नहीं है, कोई इस वक्त केस नहीं है, लेकिन मैं मेंटली ज़हनी तौर पर तैयार हुआ हूं।
I mean, I watched this. These guys attacking. Suddenly, these guys appeared from somewhere with sticks. These looked like commandos. And I thought, they are here to defend me because, my life is at threat. So the judge had ordered that I have to be protected. So I thought they'd come to defend me. And I thought, God, looks like there's some terrorist in the room. And then I discovered it was me they were after. So it was shocking, really. The way they beat up everyone and then they took me like some sort of a terrorist. I had no access to information, so I had no idea what was going on outside once they abducted me.